So what do y'all want to do today? It's okay. I've got plans. If you can't think of anything, we're good. First of all, I had to sacrifice my gorgeous swamp milkweeds that I bought at the nectary because look at all of these guys. And there were so many that I took a bunch of them and I moved them to the top to try to convince them that they're done eating. I mean, they're chubby enough. So hopefully they'll hang out up here and realize, oh, I don't need to eat anymore. It's time to pupate. Go pupate, guys. Look at the other chrysalides. Be like them. Okay, you can see I convinced 2 of them. The rest of them went back down, but hey, that's good. We'll keep trying. Oh, wait, you guys, there's another one there. That's 3. And look, I just put this one up here. And I pulled him off a plant and put him there. Maybe this is going to work. Okay, so what I think I'm going to do is put up more dowels across the top. There are some huge, chunky monarch caterpillars out in my garden. I'm going to go pluck them off their plants and bring them in here and see if I can coax them to stay on the dowel and maybe pupate and stop eating. Like this guy right here. Look how huge he is. He can't possibly need to eat more. We're going to take him in. Look at my giant milkweed. It's just all sticks. Okay, so this guy compared to that guy, well, I don't know. I'm going to take them both in. Look, this was my giant milkweed that had the most leaves. Look at it. And look, there's still munchers munching away. Oh, look, he looks pretty big too. Maybe I'll grab him too. Y'all, this is bad. Look at them all. But I'm going to try it. If they'll go on those dowels and stay there and go ahead and pupate, then at least they'll be safe inside. Y'all, I'm literally trading, like taking in the big chunkers and bringing out some little ones. And then it just dawned on me. You know what I have? I have pots of twine vine, y'all. I have pots of twine vine. Oh my gosh. Okay, everybody's going to be okay. We're all going to be okay. It's all good, sir. You can come back. You can come back inside. You too. I got you. I got you all set. Yes, sir, you want that. Go ahead. Climb on. Climb on, sir. Trust me, you'll like it. Look at this guy's on my bracelet. Y'all, caterpillar lives are going to be saved because of the ridiculous amounts of twine vine that I have growing over my fence. Well, it's not ridiculous amounts, but it's enough for these guys. How did I not think of that? Like, I was worried. I was picturing little caterpillars crawling around my garden, starving because they've eaten all the milkweed. But there's a monarch butterfly out there right now laying eggs on the little stubs of leaf chunks left on the milkweed. It's crazy. What's going to happen when all of these butterflies, they need to go, some can stay, but the rest, they need to go find another garden, and I need to go find more milkweed. Look at all that. This should keep them satisfied. And I have more if it doesn't. And all is right in my world. Thanks for hanging out with me and helping me save caterpillars. We didn't even get to do the project I was going to do, but we're still going to do it. But that'll be another video. And let me remember to say all the things. Tap the like button, subscribe to my channel, and join the milkweed crew. Y'all, there is a queen. Just when I said the video's over, I saw her and thought, oh, let's come see, because she's gorgeous and she's laying eggs. on my milkweed. Oh my gosh, I want queen babies. Okay, y'all, this video is never going to end. But can you see in there? There's a cardinal. They're building a nest in there. And this nest is in my wild lime right beside my garden chair. So I'm literally going to sit here and have a little cardinal family in a nest right there. But you know what, guys? You know what cardinal mamas and daddies feed baby cardinals? That's right, caterpillars. And I think it's the sweetest thing that they chose my wild lime as the place to build their sweet little nests. But hopefully I'll be able to show you babies, and we're just not going to think about the caterpillar part. And the reason why we ended up over here by my sweet little bird nest is the queen was over here laying eggs. I do have some swamp milkweed, and fortunately it's growing back and there's no caterpillars munching it yet. So hopefully it can all grow in stronger for the next round somewhat. And then this is my aquatic milkweed, and I took a couple of big caterpillars in from here because there are baby caterpillars and I don't want those big munchers to eat all the food. So they're in munching on the twine vine now. And look how pretty these aquatic milkweed flowers are. There's caterpillars everywhere. But I guess that's what should happen when you plant a butterfly garden. Okay, now that should be the end of this video. I'll see you in the next one.